So now again, let's pick up where we left off. We didn't hardly cover anything, just describing just the introduction to Surah Al-Masad. So here, uh, uh, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, like I was saying, He says Tabbat Yada. So the subject here is the hands of Abu Lahab. So this is a, a, a possessive or an added to and with the additions. So it's like Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin was sort of complex because it has two additions, Malik and Yom, and they're being added to Deen. So that when in if you remember in Surah Fatiha, and here also it is you have an added to, which is Lahab, and two additions, Yada and Abi, and they're sort of a complex, like, so I have to describe what it is that's going on here. Lahab is being added to. Lahab is the blaze of a fire, the flame of a fire, and then Abi Lahab, Abi. So whenever you have in Arabic, you have Abu something or Aba something or Abi something. That's usually what they call a kunya, or a sort of like a nickname or an attachment name to a person that he's been known for something in his character or his personality or his person that uh, you can call him Abu something or Abba something, or so. And there are a lot of examples like that in Islamic history of Abu something. So this the uncle of the Prophet, they said that his face was very bright and like the brightness of a fire. So that's why he's been called Abu Lahab. That's what Lahab is. Lahab, the root of Lahab, the the three-letter root is right there in front of you. Lam ha ba, which means to be a flame or to be a blaze. So this his face was so bright that people started calling him the father of. That's what Ab means. So Ab means father, and Abu is the the raised part of the Abu. And if it's like, for example, a subject, it's Abu, and if it's like an object, it's Aba, and if it comes after a preposition or as part of a addition or added to, then it's Abi. So here it's coming after. It's the second part. It's the second addition. Yeah, actually it's yeah, it's the first edition actually to Abu Lahab. So his kunya or his nickname was Abu Lahab. So, but since it's coming after Yada, which is attached, which is another addition to this Abu Lahab, it gets Abi. It assumes the kasra part of the lower part of the this construction. And then yad means hand. So it's only two letters. It doesn't follow the three-letter root that we usually know or have become familiar with, but it's just a two-letter word, ya and dal. But if you say two hands, then it becomes dual. So that in that case, you would say yadani. So we all have two hands. So that's why it's yadani. Or if it's a object, it's yadaini. So, but here, when you attach it to something, when it's part of an addition or an added to, then you lose the noon, which is the dual, which would be the usual dual formation, yadani. You add alif noon to the word. In this case, the word is yadal. You would add alif noon. So yadani it would be. But since it's part of an addition or an added to, then you lose the noon and it becomes Abi Lahab. So let's stop there.